Hi. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. No Landon Smith tonight. So I'm the only go record for tonight. Well, I'll let you guys know that Landon Smith will be back, I think maybe tomorrow. I'm not exactly sure, but oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, as you see, I'm wearing my same shirt I wore last night. My Wilson Warriors. I go to middle school. Wilson. But yeah, basically everything's just joking around. So basically everything A-okay. As you can see, I can open my hand. Sorry, I'm tired, but basically everything is just be exclusive. My hair is a little frizzy. I'm wearing some headphones. Oh yeah. That's Lawson, my chalk playing with Amber Smith. Yeah, basically everything is just freaking me out. Okay, I'm gonna go and make sure you'll like this video. Give us a big old thumbs up on my video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Like and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow or next week. Bye.